WriteText.ai Single gives e-commerce site owners, content writers, and marketing departments a tool that utilizes the power of artificial intelligence to generate page title, page description, product excerpts, and open graph text. For this video, we have set up several sample made-up products in WooCommerce. All products inside WooCommerce are automatically shown in the WriteText.ai interface. As you can see, the WriteText.ai interface seamlessly blends into WordPress. To generate text for a product, simply select the product by clicking Edit. As the product details are loaded, you will notice certain labels from Step 1 to Step 5. Ideally, you will follow these steps to maximize the features of WriteText.ai. You can click the Hide Step guides at the bottom of the screen to hide the labels. The first step is to do keyword analysis or keyword research. WriteText.ai has a convenient keyword analysis tool built in. This tool not only provides you with keyword data such as search volume and difficulty for the country selected, but it also generates semantic keyword ideas that you can use to make your text more relevant. WriteText.ai allows up to 5 different keywords and 10 semantic keywords to be incorporated into the text. When you click Get Data, the tool will get the data for your entered keywords as well as suggest related keyword ideas and their corresponding search volume and difficulty. You can use the filters according to your preference, like if you want to sort by lowest difficulty or highest search volumes. Clicking the plus sign across from a keyword adds it to your list of keywords that will be considered in generating the text. Closing the keyword analysis drawer, Step 2 is where you can select up to 10 semantic keywords that you want to be considered in generating the text as well. Semantic keywords are conceptually related terms to your keywords, and they help enrich your text so search engines can understand it better. WriteText.ai generates up to 5 semantic keyword ideas for each of your main target keywords. Step 3 is where you select the attributes you want to be considered in generating the text. WriteText.ai will take the value of the attributes you select and try to incorporate them in the text. The more detailed and well set your attributes are, the better the generated texts will be. The Other Product Details section lets you write any other information that can provide more context to your product. In this example, we added Christmas sales, 10%. You can also add other attributes that are not present in your existing attributes list. WriteText.ai will try to include that in the text. As you will see, it will incorporate the details naturally, sometimes rewriting what you added without losing its meaning. Step 4 is to select tone, style, and audience. As you can see, there are a lot of tones and styles to choose from. WriteText.ai also allows you to define your own specific custom tone and style. In the audience dropdown, you can choose who your product's targets are from these predefined options. WriteText.ai will also suggest specific target markets. If you have your own description of your ideal audience, you can also write that in here. Note that you can select as many audiences as you want. Try for fun to select only Generation Alpha, then see how WriteText.ai incorporates teenage slang in the generated text. Finally, we get to Step 5, where you will actually generate the text. You can select specific text types or generate text for everything all at once. As the text is being generated, you can see WriteText.ai writing the text into the fields on the left side of the workspace. The text is not visible in your live site at this point, so you have the option to review it and make edits. You will also notice the red tab Not Transferred, indicating that the text has not been sent over to your live site. Before the text is transferred to WooCommerce, you have the option to make small edits and improvements. Transferring the text to WooCommerce is easy. You can either transfer one text type by clicking the blue button between the WriteText and WooCommerce text boxes, or you can click the button Transfer Selected to WordPress. To demonstrate how WriteText.ai works, we will now open the live product page. The page title, product text, excerpt, page description, and open graph text are now live. Finally, we'll quickly look at how WriteText.ai and WooCommerce works together. Here you can see the product description, and a bit further down the product excerpt, which is saved under Product Short Description.